learn the names of the different parts of the body so that you can identify them easily. Head, head. Hair, hair. Face, face. Cheek, cheek. Forehead, forehead. Eyebrow, eyebrow. Eyelash, eyelash. Eye, eye. Eyelid, eyelid. Ear, ear. Nose, nose. Nostrils, nostrils. Mouth, mouth. Lips, lips. Teeth, teeth. Tongue, tongue. Chin, chin. Neck, neck. Chest, chest. Shoulder, shoulder. Stomach, stomach. Waist, waist. Arm, arm. Elbow, elbow. Hand, hand. Wrist, wrist. Palm, palm. Fingers, fingers. Thumb, thumb. Nail, nail. Hip, hip. Leg, leg. Foot, foot. Thigh, thigh. Knee, knee. Ankle, ankle. Toes, toes. Heel, heel. Back, back. Bottom, bottom. Head, hair. Forehead, face. Cheek, chin. Ear, nose. Nostrils, eye. Eyelid, eyebrow. Eyelash, tongue. Mouth, teeth. Lips. Neck, shoulder. Chest, stomach. Waist, back. Arm, elbow. Hand, palm. Thumb, finger. Nail. Hip, leg. Foot, knee.